بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. My dear colleagues at UNISA, we just completed the semester, and at the end of the semester, we need to share the marks with the students. Um, as we respect the privacy of our students, it's not a good idea to send a complete Excel sheet to all of them, which contains marks of their class fellows. So, what I did over the last weekend, I took this initiative to develop a simple software tool to send bulk email to all the students containing only their own marks. So, I'll share the link with you so that you can download it. Once you open this software, this is the screen that you will see. Um, the first part at the top here is authenticate. So first of all, you need to authenticate this um, your email account. It will take you to the web browser, and when you are signing in for the first time, you have to log into your university email account. Please log into your university email account, right? Once you close it, you go back to your system, and here you should see authenticated, right? So now it means we are ready to send the individual email to the students. So let's say this is my result. It is fictitious information, by the way. It is not actual. I just generated the fictitious information for demonstration purposes. So I have student IDs, their names, the course, and then their marks in quiz, assignment, midterm project, and total, right? So in the tool, click this load Excel button to load this data results. And now on the left side, you'll see the information that I already showed you in Excel. So here at the top part, this is the email template. So and you can define it for all the students. Let's say I write dear student and then their name, and then my message is here are your marks. You can write anything you like. Uh, Please visit my office if you have any concerns, whatever you want to put. And now you can see if you click every student, you can see their individual information for them. And by the way, if you observe in the Excel sheet, I just had student IDs, but the tool automatically constructed their email by appending at unisa.bn with all the IDs. So you do not need to add this information. I believe all of you have IDs in the Excel sheet. So the tool will automatically construct their emails, right? And pull up the individual student marks. You can also customize this message. For example, if I look at this student, he did not submit the project marks. There are no project marks, so it means he did not submit the report. So I can add a message for him. Please submit your project report at your earliest. Right. So you can add any message for a particular student. And once you are done, simply click this button, send selected emails. And here there is one thing more I need to show you. For every student, there is a checkbox send, right? So because of whatever reason, I'll show you some use cases later on. But if you do not want to send email to some students, the tool will not send email to those of students, right? So it will just send to the selected student, right? So that's it. However, when I developed this tool, the first version of it, I realized that I can make it more generic to serve other use cases as well. For example, let's say you are conducting a conference and you have this information, the email, the names of the authors, then the titles of the papers, the author list, and the country, right? And you want to send customized, personalized emails to each one of them with their article acceptance. So you can load the data here, for example, this conference data, and Now here in the template, maybe I put dear author, and you can give your message. We are pleased to inform you that your paper has been selected. And that this main content, it will pull all the information from this Excel sheet, the names, titles, authors, and countries, and it will prepare individual emails. For example, this one, dear author Sarah Rahman, we are pleased to inform you that your paper is selected, and then title, author, and country information for this paper, right? Similarly, let's say you want to conduct interviews for admission. So you pull up the interviews. I have this interviews information. Let's say this one. So I have email of the candidates, their names, the programs in which they applied, interview date and time. And now I can prepare the emails automatically. So now here we can say you are invited for an interview, whatever message you want to put. And here you can write your candidate or whatever. Candidate, right? So you can think of many use cases. This send button allows you to pick the recipients of your emails, but with one click, it will send personalized emails to all the recipients. So that's all. It's a simple tool, but I believe it will save you some precious time that you can use for other more important tasks. Thank you very much for listening. Please let me know if you find any bug in the software or if you have any suggestions for improvement. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.